Hello and welcome to our third coffee break course. So here we go. I want to dance with somebody. It only actually needs 4 notes. 3 back notes here and the one above. So the first phrase just uses the 3 back notes. Starts with A sharp, down to F sharp and to the middle G sharp. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's try it. 3, 4, 1. The next phrase goes up. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Up to a C sharp there. Let's try it. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Then we go back to the first phrase for yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. And then we have a slightly different phrase to finish. With somebody who loves me. Just using those 3 beats. Ready? 1, 2. With somebody who loves me. I'm going to try and keep the 4 beats in the bar by using an F sharp, a C sharp and an F sharp. Let's take it slowly. Here we go. Oh, I want to dance with somebody. 1, 2. I want to feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I want to dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. You could just free it up. You're only in your coffee break, you might not play it exactly in time. Just a bit of fun.